It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime?
선택해주세요. 주문 전.
그 공명대 안에서 채택. 또 수딩 소트 안에서
Everyone's so stylish. Look at this.
Only yours. We don't have money. And then
Yeah. I know she's also stylish. See. Came to work.
1품 차서 보기. 다리 품.
And on the way home, I bought this hodu kwaja. Really love it. I really love it. If you will come to Korea, you need to, like, you should, you must try it. Hodu kwaja. Guys, I'm home now. I bought some stuff. I'm gonna make dinner now. And can you guess what will I make? Dinner. I made pasta. And this is water. Actually, you know, guys, I like making pasta because it doesn't take much time and it's delicious. This weather really nice. Even I changed my coat to this jacket. I'm home now. I just came. Look at me. I look so tired and I'm hungry. I didn't make dinner today. I have pasta from last night. Okay, can you hear? I was warming it. So let's eat pasta.
Всем привет, меня зовут Роза, я из Казахстана.
I'm doing my night routine. Okay. So here I have Barbie's band. Do I look like a Barbie? No. Just kidding. So what I was going to say. Yeah, I'm preparing to sleep. Oh my god, I don't like it. What is it? Okay. So I am preparing to sleep. It's already 1 a.m. and I have morning class at 9 a.m. So I need to sleep now. I'll see you in the morning. Here's a tip. You can open it so easily. Just, can you see? 네. It's break time now, and I'm just spending time here outside. I bought this cute case for my AirPods. Look at this. So cute, Anya. Oh my god, I'm in love with this one. It's giving me like spring, you know, spring feelings. Waiting for our burritos. Can you hear me?